Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. But before I start with the video, if you're interested in Shopify, you can get it for $1 your first month. Use my link in the description. So if we were to take a look what Google says, so for up to 30 days after deleting, users can recover their own message from the trash by following the steps. So basically, if you were here, if you go to trash, if you have any deleted emails here, you just select it. So as an example, you would select it here, then you can click on delete forever. But if you go to the three dots, you can mark as unread, important. But what you want to do is just drag drop to inbox, and that's it. If after 30 days messages are permanently deleted from the trash and can be restored from the trash by user or the administrator, this article describes the option that admins have for recovering deleted messages after 30 days. So basically, then you have, admins have an additional 25 more days to restore deleted messages from the admin console, and after those 25 days go by, the message is permanently deleted from the admin console and admins can restore them. Now, if you have the Google Vault, maybe you can do it that way. But if more than 30 days and then 25 days go by, you won't be able to restore the deleted. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.